Are you an egg lover? Do you consume eggs on a daily basis? If so, then watch this video to find out the health benefits of eating eggs every day. Eggs are a great source of nutrition for the body. They contain essential vitamins, minerals, proteins, and other nutrients. Eating eggs every day helps in increasing the body's energy levels, strengthen the immune system, improve brain function, and aid in digestion. Eggs are also a good source of choline, a nutrient that helps to maintain the health of cell membranes and helps to keep the liver functioning properly. Eating eggs every day can also help in reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Eggs are also low in calories and fat, making them a healthy and tasty meal for those looking to lose weight. Eating eggs every day can also help in maintaining a healthy weight and can be an excellent source of dietary protein. Eating eggs every day can be beneficial to overall health. So, if you love eggs, go ahead and enjoy them as part of your daily diet.